Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Computer with RCS. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of data file handling, that is reading and writing in CSV files. Okay, but before doing any practical work, let us know about what is a CSV file. A CSV file, also known as comma separated values file, is a simple file format used to store tabular data such as spreadsheet or database. Means CSV एक ऐसा फाइल फॉर्मेट है जो आपके टेबुलर डेटा को एक प्लेन टेक्स्ट के फॉर्म में सेव करने में मदद करता है, चाहे वो स्प्रेडशीट हो या आपका कोई डेटाबेस हो. Okay, a CSV file stores or tabular data, numbers and text in a plain text, and each line of the file is a data record, and each record consists one or more fields and separated by commas. Means कि CSV फाइल क्या करता है, आपके टेबुलर डेटा को, चाहे वो नंबर्स होंगे चाहे टेक्स्ट होंगे, उसमें स्टोर, उनको प्लेन टेक्स्ट के फॉर्म में स्टोर करता है, और उसमें जो रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं स्टोर वो लाइंस के फॉर्म में होते हैं. ठीक है, हर लाइन एक लाइन एक रिकॉर्ड माना जाता है, और हर एक रिकॉर्ड कंसिस्ट करता है कई सारे फील्ड्स से मिलके बनता है, और उन्हीं फील्ड्स को सेपरेट किया जाता है किसकी मदद से, कॉमास की मदद से. सो like example, if we are storing a data of a student, like his name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, these are the fields of the records, and they are separated by comma. Before moving ahead, let us discuss what are the steps to write in our CSV files. First of all, you have to import a module that is known as CSV module. Whatever you are doing in a file, if you are writing or you are reading a file, both the cases you have to import that particular module. Okay, and the second step is open a file. And now you will open a file with the statement, and the file mode is W here because I'm writing in a file as CSV file. CSV file is a file object, and then colon. Okay, the third one is then convert file object to CSV.writer object. Here CSV.writer object is the main object of your program, because it is used to copy the content to the particular file that you have made. Okay, so you have to write here CSV write is equal to CSV.writer and pass the file object here, and the CSV write is also a file object. Okay, after that now you will be able to write the record. So one method that is known as write row method, you will use that method to write your first record, and you have to write CSV write row, and the record which you want to copy in that file, you have to pass here inside the write row function. Okay, if you want to write multiple rows at once, then you will use write rows function in place of write row. Okay, so here you have to write CSV write rows and pass the number of rows inside the function as a function argument. Okay, so these are the steps to write in a CSV file. Let us discuss about steps to read a CSV file. As I told you, in both the cases, in case of write or read, in both cases you have to import the CSV module first, then open a file. But here is the file mode is R, because we are reading a file in this case. Okay, so you have to write with open and the file name comma R as CSV file. CSV file is a file object here, and then colon. And the third one is then convert the file object to CSV.reader object. Okay, for writing we have CSV.writer object, and for reading we have CSV.reader object. So the third step, you have to convert the file object to CSV.reader object, and for this you have to write a statement CSV read. CSV read is a file object here, is equal to CSV.reader, and pass the CSV file object that you have made while opening a file. Okay, now final step, after this you will able to print the data. So you will use for loop to print the data for row in a CSV read. and colon and print the row, and after this the number of lines that you have copied in that file will show in front of you after this print command will execute. Okay, so these are the steps of reading and writing in a CSV file. Now we will make a program how to write in a CSV file or read in a CSV file. So let's watch. So I have opened a Python IDE here. So first step, I have to make a new file, and in which I have to import that module that is known as CSV, and then open a file with this statement open. I'm making a file data.csv, and mode is W here as file object. Okay, and then colon. This is the second step, and third one is what we have to do. We have to convert the file object to file CSV writer object. Okay, for this I will write here CSV. I will make a file object CSV write is equal to CSV dot writer, and pass the file object inside it. Okay, now I need a record that I want to write in that particular file. So first of all, make a record. Okay, store a record, and I'm making a variable record, and in which I'm storing data of a student, like his name and father's name and address and mobile number. Let the mobile number is this, and this is my one record that I will write in that data.csv file. Okay, for this I will use a method that is known as write row method. So for this I have to write here CSV write dot write row and pass the record variable inside the write row method. Okay, it's complete. Now final printing one statement here, print data written successfully. Okay, it will tell me that my data is successfully written into a file. Okay, now save it. I am saving it at desktop as a CSV write name. Okay, now run the program. Here data written successfully message flashes. Okay, so check the file that the data is copied into or not. Here is your data.csv file, and you can open it with a notepad, and you will see the record of a student is written into this file. Okay, so you have write one record in a data.csv file by using this program. Okay, by using this write row method. Okay, if you want to record if you want to copy multiple records, so you will use write rows method in place of write row. So first of all you need more records, so adding one more record here. I am adding one more record. One more student's record is like Gaurav, father's name Gaurav, and he lives in Mumbai, and mobile number is something like this. Okay, so here we have two records, and I want to write these two records in a data.csv. So what we have to do, we will change the write row method with write rows method. Bus add s here and then save our file and run it again. Here data written successfully message flashes in front of you. So now check the file again, open it with notepad and you will see that both the record is written inside it. Okay, so this is the method of writing in a CSV file. Hope you understand it. Now the step for reading in a CSV file. Okay, so for CSV file you have to import the CSV module also. So I have already imported it, no need to import. Just open a file with open data.csv file and the mode is R here. Okay, as file obj. Okay, then sorry, colon is here, we have to put the colon also. Okay, then the second step is we have to convert the file object to csv.reader object here, because we are reading here. We have two objects, csv.writer and csv.reader. So for reading we will use csv.reader object. So for this I have to write here csv read a file object is equal to csv.reader and place the file object here. Okay, now you will able to print the data inside the data.csv file. So for this you have for loop, you will use for loop for data in CSV read print and data. Okay, print data. Now run it. You will see both the records that we have copied in that data.csv file, and you will see in front of you. So we have read that particular file. Okay, that's all for reading and writing in a CSV file. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for